about 6:30 a.m. I'm heading to Katie's Cars and Coffee. I'm just getting a text message from Rachel that they made it and I'm still an hour out. This is gonna be a long ass day. Good morning. I just got to Great Falls, Virginia. Today we're covering 6 car events. We're going to try to cover 6 car events in the DC area. It's about 7:25. I'm heading to Katie's Cars and Coffee. I'm driving Don's GTR. He gave it to us for the day. I'm meeting a bunch of Mischief guys, meeting my brother. The car scene here is pretty huge and falls right around the corner. So this is probably the last warm weekend. So there's several events we're going to cover. And I am already an hour late to this one.
Where's Dustin at?
Who knows? Is Dustin ever on time? He said, you know, be here at 6:37 and it's now 7:03 and he's still an hour away. So I'm glad I got up at 5 a.m.
Just to meet him here. Just
to meet him and bring out my brand new baby.
Okay, here we are, Katie's Cars and Coffee, and I am late as shit. It's so strong enough. Oh, hey, Bogdan.
Hi, good morning.
We're not going to see you the rest of the day, are we? You're not going to hang out with us today?
No.
Damn it.
Sorry. Full time with the baby.
Oh, yeah. So when'd you pick it up?
Last night. I was at a conference and then was like, I want to go look at this car because it popped up on the Dark Cars website on Tuesday or Wednesday. Didn't have time to go look at it. There were no pictures, nothing. And then we just happened to go stop by. I walk around the corner and I saw the red calipers and was like, ooh, that's a 507. And it is listed for like half the price it should be.
Yeah.
Where do I sign? Don't even need to test drive.
So it's a 15?
Yeah, it's a 2015, 30,000 miles. It has been babied.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you.
And it's, as she strips. There you go.
Stripping, so I'm a Mischief. I've had this car, I've literally had it for 12 hours.
That's awesome.
So, you know.
It's your first meet.
I'm learning how to trunk.
Okay, so right now we are heading to the Hot Wheels Legends Tour at Walmart Dulles, and we are a little late, but it really doesn't matter. It goes until 11. It's about 8:30 now. I just want a picture of the car in front of the oversized Hot Wheels box. We'll see. I'm not really sure what the layout's going to be, but I cannot believe the turnout today at Katie's. That was absolutely amazing. About 20 more minutes, we'll be in Dulles. God, this really sucks that you can't really play in Virginia unless you want to go to jail. It's too early for that. Hey, is it the which Walmart is it on? Oh, so it's not here. Ah, shit. Okay, I got the. Okay. You
sure it's this Walmart?
No, it's not.
It's the other one, right?
It's the other one. My bad. I still can't pull it up. Which one is it?
24635 Dulles Landing Drive.
That's so weird that it's not on here.
We're about 10.5 miles away.
Okay. They're probably already there the way they were going.
Yeah.
But there's too many cops out here today.
There are.
I usually don't get lost in Virginia, but we got lost in Virginia. You sure this is the right Walmart? I think we went to 10 of them.
I know. I didn't know which Walmart it was.
What's up, dude?
What's up? So that's your car?
Yeah, man.
So it's a Ford Probe with a
Ford Probe.
it's a Ford Probe
With the rotary engine.
Same one with the first Mischief movie that you hid with cardboard.
Yes. We graduated from dumpsters to Walmart.
Yes. Yeah. Street races to car shows at Walmart.
Yeah.
We're getting old.
Yes, we are. We'll take a nap by noon.
Yeah. I need a nap now. I'm getting dizzy. Oh my God, I'm so tired. It's 10:30. We're actually going to a place called Loudoun County Exotics. There's a car meet there. I had no idea. I'm hoping they have food because I'm dying right now. God damn, that Jeep is so loud. Couldn't make it into the Hot Wheels show. We got there too late. And I wanted a picture of Don's car in front of the box and it didn't work out. I'll Photoshop it, he'll never know. Don's GTR, he let me borrow today. I love this car, it's so clean. Simple, clean. Supporting our friends at Cartoons Mag. Oh. And our new Mischief plate frames. Dale just joined in with me. We left Virginia. We're heading to Passport BMW in Marlow Heights, about 45 minutes away. And it's only 12:30. It feels like it's like 5 o'clock. That's the girl that got me. Oh, that's the guy. That's the car that got me. This really sucks that you can't really play in Virginia unless you want to go to jail. Back dude, it's fucking...
Check out the music selection to your right.
Don't go back. So this is meet number
5. Cars and Coffee, Hot Wheels, Exotic Cars, BMW.
Oh, number 5, okay. We've gone 212 miles. It's 2 o'clock. I'm still running on 2 hours sleep. I think the next meet after this is an hour back to Virginia. I'm shaking from the caffeine. Yeah, so about that BMW meet.
Free beer.
Hey, you know, we're experiencing all kind of culture. So right now it's clean culture, so that's more like stands.
And vape.
Wait, huh?
And vapes.
And vaping. Look at that thing. Ooh, shit, no way.
That's a GSTT. GTST.
Jason that we saw earlier with the purple 240, he's been here since, I think, 11
he's here?
Yeah, he parked out in the field, whatever that means.
Yo, what's up, guys? How we doing?
How much is it?
20 each.
I got you.
Yeah.
Ask him? He ain't gonna do it. You ain't about doing burnouts in this thing, right? Nah, it's a nice car. I like it.
Thank you, man.
So go. You see where the Challengers and the Chargers are going?
Yeah.
You go right with them.
Excellent. Thank you, guys.
Yo.
I just want to see what he's doing real quick.
Yeah, that's what I said. Just like a review.
So we just got here to Clean Culture, and everybody's surrounding Jason's 240. So I guess he's going to be drifting, but we don't know. And these guys are scared of getting hit, so they're all the way over here.
This guy over here, though, this Accord, he's prepared to get hit.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're at Clean Culture.
Clean culture.
And it seems like nobody's here because they're at the burnout contest. Who's up next?
It's your boy, my dad.
Your dad.
He's coming.
Okay, so it's 4:37. We're heading to our 6th meet. We just got some Chick-fil-A to kind of wake up a little bit. We're heading to TLC Auto Detail here in Dulles. It's like one of the, it's one of the best detail places in the DC area. And so far right now, we are at 270 miles. Oh my God. It's been fun. I thought I was gonna be a lot more tired, but the seats in this car are really, really, really comfortable. Event number 6. Yes.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Nice ride.
Thank you, sir.
Rental.
Man, you guys been doing car shit all day. I saw your schedule.
Number 6.
Oh my God.
I've been up for 12 hours. I'm fucking tired.
You're wild. What time did you guys leave this morning?
I left at 5.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You did Katie's and everything?
But we still got one more after this. Yeah.
I'll talk to you guys when we get
All
out.
right. All right. Cool, man. Can we park right there?
I wanted to drive through the event real quick.
I don't want to back up. Anyway, so.
Okay, it's 6:18. The McLaren event just started. Daniel and I went to Produce House to change. I am very, very, very happy. We haven't done any local coverage in a long time, and for us to hit all these local events and prove to us that car culture is still fucking awesome in the DC area.
Especially seeing people we haven't seen in a while.
Oh yeah, see all our old car friends. It was freaking great. Today was awesome. Thank you, Don, for letting me borrow your car. Oh, so before I forget, before we start drinking, I did 6 VINWIKI videos about Mischief, and the playlist will be in the description. And also, real quick before we leave, the Ford Mondeo and Mischief Invasion that we rented 15 years ago, and we blew up in France, and the French police took it. I found it, I bought it, it's in Canada. The story of the Mondeo isn't over yet, and I'm too tired, but I'll just leave it at that. What time is it? 6:32. We made it. 32. Oh wow, look at that. 32 minutes late. Not bad for an all-day adventure. 290 miles. So by the time I return the car back to Don, it'll be 300 miles today. And I bet this car is going to smell great for him. I'm glad you dressed up too.
Everything got the orange drink to match.
Oh, everything matches. Orange everything.
Orange everything.
Hey, it's Halloween pumpkin.
It's McLaren orange.
Oh my God. After 13 hours, our car made it.
For the Conan event, but
To thank Dash for inviting us to this wonderful McLaren event. We're feeling good right now, and I still can't believe that we did 7 events today. I just want to take this home with me. This is $260,000. This thing looks so good in person. It does. Seven events today. Cheers.
yeah, cheers.
So total trip was 356 miles. By the time I'm dropping the car off to Don right now. So yeah, and I pretty much lost my voice.